Very good evening, everybody. Very good evening, my dear friends. Welcome to NP Academy. Welcome back. I am Naveen Prasad, Senior Mentality Faculty. Last week we discussed UPSC CSAT General Mental Ability Paper Part 1. Today I am going to discuss continuation of the previous video Part 2. Okay. So today's first question, my dear friends. It is a percentage problem. In an examination, 80% of students passed in English. See, my dear friends, they given 80% of students passed in English, 70% students passed in Hindi, and 15% failed in both the subject. See, first they given passed, then they given failed. So to solve this problem, everybody, we will use Venn diagram. Okay, so we will use Venn diagram, my dear friends. So this is English, this is Hindi, the middle one is both, my dear friends. So 80% passed means failed is how much? 20% failed. Again 70% passed means 30% is failed. Okay, so both failed is 15%. See, both failed is 15%. So English is 20% failed, already 15% is filled, remaining is 5% of only English. This 5% is only English. So 20% is English. Similar way, Hindi 30% are filled, already 15% is filled, remaining we have to fill 15%. Everybody clear? So only Hindi is 15% failed. Hindi failed is 30% failed. So they're asking what is the percentage of students who failed in only one subject. Only one subject means English only one is 5%, only Hindi 15%, 15 plus 5 will be 20%. So option B is the right answer. I hope it is clear, my dear friends. Beautiful problem, simple problem. We'll go to the next one. Okay, so this problem look like difficult. It is not look like difficult, my dear friends. The problem is lengthy sentences, that's all. Okay, so considering the following statements in respect of the sum s is equal to x plus y plus z, where x, y, z are distinct prime numbers, each less than 10. Okay, see, they given, my dear friends, s is equal to x plus y plus z, and they told x comma y and z are distinct prime number, all are prime number and all are less than 10. So how many prime numbers are less than 10? So prime numbers are 2, 3, then 5, then 7. There are 4 prime numbers, my dear friends, less than 10. Okay, now the first statement they given is the unit digit s. Okay, see, this is the s. S means what? Sum of x plus y plus z. S can be 0, so we have to check. Okay, if you check, my dear friends, if I use 2, 3, 5, if I add 2 plus 3 plus 5, how much? You will get 10, correct? If I use first 3, I will get 2 plus 3 plus 5 will be 10. See, the last digit is 0 we are getting, so that first statement is true, can be possible. Similar way, the unit digit of s can be 9, we have to check. Okay, so this is 10 not possible. So if you check, my dear friends, if you want 9 means last digit, if you add these things, maybe if you are getting 9 or 19 or 29, like that we have to get. Okay, the maximum sum of 3 digits will be, will take, the maximum is 357 will take, my dear friends. 357 will take. How much now? 357. 357 maximum will be 7, 10, 15. Okay, 15 is the maximum, my dear friends. Or 15 or 17, 19 is not at all possible. So 20 is not at all possible, only 9. Any possible to get 9 sum of digits, 3 digits? See, we can get 2 plus 7, 9, but I want 3 digit. So here 10 not possible, 2 3 7 12 not possible, 2 5 7 14 not possible, 3 5 7 not possible. So second statement, it is wrong. We cannot get the unit digit 9. Similar way, the unit digit of s can be 5. We'll check. Yes, see, already I solved. 3 plus 5 plus 7, it is 15. So last digit we are getting 5. Yes, third statement is true. So the first statement and third statements are true. So if you see the options 1 and 3 is the right answer. Option 3. Clear, my dear friends? Just we have to read it, we have to solve it. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Now, how many times the hour hand, the minute hand coincide in a clock between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. My dear friends, see, in a clock chapter there are many concepts are there. So in that concept, one is coincide each other or 0 degree, my dear friends. So in a 0 degree, in clock 12 hours we will get 11 times, my dear friends. Okay, in 24 hours we are getting 22 times, my dear friends. Okay, 0 degree and 180 degree, 0 degree and 180 degree in each hour. In each hour will get, in each hour will get one time. One time will get, but certain one, so that it should be 12 times, but not 12 times. Why? Because between 10, between 11, between 11 to 1, between 11 to 1, my dear friends, in these 2 hours, 11 to 12, 12 to 1, in these 2 hours the coincide each other only at exactly 12 o'clock, only at exactly 12 o'clock. So between 11 to 1 we are getting only one time, not two times. We are getting only one time, not two times. They are asking 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. So 10 a.m. to 2 p.m, 10 to 11 one time, 11 to 1 one time, 11 to 12 1 to 2, 10 to 11 one time, 11 to 1 one time, and 1 to 2 one time. Total 1 1 1, total 3 times, my dear friends. Total 3 times. Similar way, 180 degree also, 0 degree 11 to 1 is only one time. Similar way, 180 degree will 5 to 7. So 5 to 7, exactly 6 o'clock we get only one time. In these 2 hours we are getting only one time, that is 180 degree. This is a beautiful concept, my dear friends. I hope it is clear. Okay. Yes, my dear friends, please subscribe to our channel, support. Okay, give your good feedbacks. Okay, share to your friends, my dear friends. If you have any doubt, WhatsApp your problem to this below number. Whenever I am free, I will solve that problem and I will send you the solution, my dear friends. Okay, we'll go to the next one. See how many consecutive zeros are there at the end of the integer obtained in the product 1 square 2 power 4 into 3 power 6 into 4 power 8. See, my dear friends, if I want a 0, if I want 0 means, my dear friends, 2 into 5. 2 into 5, my dear friends, it is 10. Okay. See, for example, 4 into 5. How much? 4 into 5, you are getting 20. But 4 can be written as 2 square into 5. Correct? Okay, 5 power 1. Similar way, my dear friends, 25 into 25 into 2. How much? 50. Okay, here 25 will be 5 square, here 2 power 1, so we are getting how much? 50. See, if you see power 1 here, power 2 here, power 2 here, power 1 here, everybody, yes or no? So the lowest power, yes or no? If you want 10 means 2 into 5. Okay, everybody. So combination of 2 and 5 you will get 10. Combination of 2 and 5 you will get 10. So that here 2 power 4, 4 power 8, then 8 power 16. So 2 is more than 5, my dear friends. In this series, 1 square, 2 power 4, 3 power 6 and 4 power 8. In this series, the number of 2 is more than 5. So that we'll consider for the 5, my dear friends. See, if you see 5, what are the 5 you will get here, my dear friends? 5 power 10. If you see this one, double of this. So 5 power 10. Then again 5 multiple will be 10. 10 power 20. Then 5 multiple will be 15. 15 power 30. Again 5 multiple will be 20. 20 power 40. Again next multiple will be 25. 25 power 50. I hope it is clear, my dear friends. Yes or no? So now if you see this one, everybody. So here 10 is there, you will get 5 into 2, only 1 5 you are getting. In 15 you will get 5 into 3, only 1 5 you are getting. Here only 1 5. Here 20 means you are getting 5 into 4, so 5. Okay, 25 means you are getting 5 square here, my dear friends. So here 5 power 10, so 10 times 5 will come, plus here 5 power 20 means here 20 times you will get 5. Again here 5 power 30 means you will get 30 times, plus here 40 times, plus here 5 square whole power 50. So a power m whole power m is equal to a power m into n. You are getting 5 power 100. So here you are getting 100. If you add these things, 100, 140, 170, 190, 200. So my dear friends, of the product of all this series, you are getting, my dear friend, 200 zeros, my dear friends. So the option D is the right answer. Is it clear, my dear friends? Yes. So next problem. A person buys 3 articles PQR for rupees 3330. If P cost 25% more than R and R cost 20% more than Q, then what is the cost of P? Okay, they given P, Q and R. First here they're talking about last is Q. So let us Q will take 100%. Okay. Then R cost 20% more. So R will be compared to Q 20% more means 120. Okay. Compared to R, P will be 25% more. Out of 120, 25% will be 1 by 4, 25%. 4 ones are 4 30s are. 30 should be more than 120. So 120 plus 130 will 120 plus 30 will be 150. The ratio will be 0 0 0 cancel. So 15 is to 10 is to 12. So total, my dear friends, 15 plus 10 25 plus 12 will be 37. So 37 part is equal to, my dear friends, 37 part is equal to, my dear friends, 330. See everybody, triple one, triple two, triple three is multiple of, my dear friends, 37 into 3, my dear friends. 37 into 3, my dear friends. So 330 can be written as, my dear friends, 30 into triple one, my dear friends. 30 into triple one, my dear friends. So 37 part is equal to 30 into triple one. 31 ones are 31, 37 ones are 37 threes are. Then one part is equal to 30 into 3 will be 90, my dear friends. 90, my dear friends. So I want the cost of P. P will be, my dear friends, 15. So one part is equal to 90. Then 15 part is equal to 15 into 90. So 15 nines are 135. You know the table of 15. So 10. So answer is 1350, my dear friends. 1350, my dear friends. I hope it is clear. See, today I am discussing paper UPSC paper part 2. Part 1 already I discussed in the previous classes. Whoever not yet watched that part 1, go to the playlist. You will get it and watch it, my dear friends. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Now next problem is 3 numbers x, y, z are selected from the set of the first 7 natural numbers such that x is greater than 2y greater than 3z. How many such distinct triplets are possible? Okay, see, my dear friends, they're talking about x greater than 2y greater than 3z, and they are telling that, my dear friend, first 7 natural numbers. First 7 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. See, they are telling z, x is greater than 2y, greater than 3z, then x is more than y, and y is more than z. So we'll go with a small number. Well, let us assume z value is 1. If I assume z value 1, so it become 3. 3 into 1, 3. Okay. The next value will be, because all are distinct, so different number we should take. So then y value I will take 2, my dear friends. 2 into 2 you will get 4, my dear friends. 2 into 2 you will get 4, my dear friends. Then x value cannot be 3, x value cannot be 4 because x should be greater than 2y. So the remaining values are 5, 6, 7. So 5 also possible, my dear friends. 6 also possible, my dear friends. 7 also possible. See, 5, 4, 3 also possible. 6, 4, 3 also possible. And 7, 4, 3 also possible if z is equal to 1, my dear friends. Already we are getting 3 triplets. So eliminate 1 triplet, eliminate 2 triplet. Again, now z value 1 over, right? I will go with the z value 2. Okay, everybody, if I take z value 2, if I take z value 2, my dear friends, then 3 into z 6, then we cannot go with the z value 2, my dear friends. Okay, I will go with the z value 1 only. So z value 1 only, 3 into 1 3. Okay, so then y value, if I go, already I discussed y value is 2. Now I will go with the 3. Now I will go with the 3. So what, 2 into 3 will be 6, my dear friends. Then if it is 6, there is only one possible way, that is 7. So 7 also, this triplet also possible, my dear friends. So then 5 4 3, 6 4 3, 7 4 3 and 7 6 3. These 4 triplets can be possible, my dear friends. So then answer is 4 triplets are possible. 4 triplets are possible. Okay. So we'll move to the next one. So this is a simple problem, just simple calculation problem. Weight of 6 boys is equal to weight of 7 girls is equal to weight of 3 men is equal to weight of 4 women. If the average weight of woman is 63 kg, average weight they're telling, okay, then what is the average weight of boys? So everybody, weight of boys is where? Here, 6 boys, right? So 6 boys, 6 into boys, okay. Here girls will be, they are talking about women, right? Okay, weight of 4 women. So 4 women are there, the average is 63, 63. So now 2 threes are, 2 twos are, 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 ones are. Then boys value is, average value is 2 into 21 is equal to 42, my dear friends. Option B, simple problem. Next. Now, what is the number of 5 used in numbering a 260 page book? See, everybody, maybe books are there, page number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. They will give out of 260 pages books, how many times 5 used? We have to use it. We have to find out, right? So, 5, okay, then 15, page number 15, then 25, then 35, okay, then 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, okay, then 95, okay, everybody. Then 105 will go to the next one, okay. If you observe only unit digit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So unit digit will be 10 times we are getting 5. And if you observe the number 55, here 5 is there, okay, already here 5 used, right? So remaining 50, see here 50, one time 5 using, 51 we are using one time, 52, 53, 54, 55, okay, forget about this 5, 55, 56, 57, okay, 58 and 59. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 times, okay, everybody, 10 times, total 20 times. So 1 to 100 we are using 20 times 5. Similar way, 101 to 200, one more 20 times, everybody. So total how much times now? 40 times are over already. Now remaining 261 to 260, 201 to 260 we have to do it. Okay, if you observe here, my dear friends, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Okay, now again here, again 250 will come, no, 250, 251, 2, again you are getting 10 times, right? Okay, so 40 plus 6 plus 10, total 56 times, my dear friends, in the 260 page book. 260 times we will get 5, my dear friends. The right answer is 56. Next question. Let P and Q be a positive integer satisfying P is less than Q and P plus Q is equal to K. What is the smallest value of k that does not determine p and q uniquely? Okay. See everybody, they told p is less than q and they are telling positive integers. So positive integers means we have to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Everybody clear, my dear friends? And they told p plus q is equal to k. So we can use 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. But we cannot say 1 plus 1 because p is less than q. So we cannot use. We can use 1 plus 2. We can get 3. So for 3, we can find out the value of p also. We can find out the value of q also. But they are telling that does not determine which is the least number. We have to find out the smallest value of k. Then if I use same 1 plus 3, I can use 4. Still, if I use the 4, I can find out the value of 1. I can find out the value of 3. Everybody clear? Yes or no? Okay. Then if I use 1 plus 4, how much now? 5. See, for 4 also we can use 2 plus 2. But it must be same. Here 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Again 2 plus 3 is equal to also 5. Okay. See, for the number 5, we cannot say exactly p value 1 or 2, q value 4 or 3. Why? Because we are getting 2 value. So the least number does not determine the value of p and q uniquely. That is 5, my dear friends. So the option C, 5 is your right answer. Okay. We'll move on to the next one. See, 421 and 427 when divided by the same number leave the same remainder 1. How many numbers can be used as a divisor in order to get the same remainder 1? My dear friends, this problem belongs to number system, that is highest common factors, and factors depends on highest common factor and factor of this problem. Okay. So first of all, I want remainder 1. I will subtract 1. I will subtract 1 from these two numbers. 421 minus 1 will be 420. 427 minus 1 will be 426. Okay. So this is these two number I have to check. Okay, how many divisor can be possible to divide both the numbers, and getting remainder is 1. For this we have to take the difference of these two will be how much? 6. I am finding the HCF, highest common factor. 420 is divisible by 6. Yes. 426 is divisible by 6. Yes. Then 6 is the HCF. Then if we split 6 into factors of 6. Factors of 6 are 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6. These are all the factors of 6, my dear friends. So 420 is divisible by 6, 426 divisible by 6, 420 divisible by 3, 426 divisible by 3, like that, my dear friends. If I want the remainder 1 means the divisor must be more than the remainder, right? So that 1 cannot be the possible ways. Then remaining numbers are 2, 3 and 6. There are 3 numbers can be used as a divisor in order to get the same remainder 1, my dear friends. So the option 3 is your answer. Clear everybody? Yes or no? Yes. So next, it is a direction problem, my dear friends. A man walks 100-meter westward. Okay. So you know that, right? North, south, east, west. Okay. Now a man going 100-meter west. Okay. 100-meter west. Then turns left turn. Again left turn. Again walk 100-meter. He takes a 225-degree turn clockwise. See everybody, from here to here 180-degree. Okay. Then we need one more 45-degree. One more 45-degree means this direction, from here to here. Now which direction he is walking now? So this is north, this is east. So this is northeast. Now he is moving in the northeast direction. Option D is your right answer. Simple problem. Direction problem. It is very simple problem, my dear friends. We'll move on to the next one. Okay. In the expression 5 star, 4 star, 3 star, 2 star, 1. Star is chosen from plus, minus and into. Each at most 2 times. What do you mean by at most? What do you mean by at most? At most means maximum you can use 2 times. What is the smallest non-negative value of expression? Non-negative value, my dear friend. 0 is a non-negative and positive. We can say that 0 can be the answer, my dear friends. Okay. Okay, yes, so that so I want the smallest number compared to smallest number, plus minus into divide. Okay, if I see here these three signs, in these the smallest number is minus, so I will use minus two times. Okay, so if I write 5 4 3 2 1, see I want smallest, so I will use 5 minus 4 minus 5 minus 4 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2. I can, if I use plus, okay, if I use plus here, now it become minus 2, minus 2 plus 2 will be 0, again 0 plus 1 may be possible, again I have to use next, I will use plus because there is least number, right? I will ask plus, then into. Okay, now first we have to do it this multiplication, my dear, because I have to apply the V Badmas rule. Badmas rule, multiplication 2 into 1 2, my dear friends. Here 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 minus 7 0. So we are getting the smallest value is 0, my dear friends. 0 also possible, 0 also possible. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, my dear friends, and you can watch many videos in my YouTube channel like syllogism concept. I explained in a beautiful way. Normally everybody will use Venn diagram, but we solved 150 rule, and similar way I explained few concepts of square roots, cube roots, ratio proportions, time and work, time and speed, distance, and average problem, some dice problem, and inequalities problem. Okay, problems on based on ages problems I discussed, my dear friends. All these chapters videos are available in the playlist. Go and watch it, my dear friends. Okay, everybody, we'll move on to the next one. Okay, so these problems are, my dear friends, sentence format questions. Okay, we have to read carefully, we have to solve it. Okay, a question is given followed by two statements 1 and 2. Consider the question and the statements. Question number 1, so question they're asking, what are the unique values of x and y, where x and y are distinct natural numbers. What do you mean by distinct? It's a different number we have to use, and it must be a natural number. So 1 2 3 4 5 we have to use, and they told x by y is add. Okay, and xy is equal to 12. See, x by y is add statement. Okay, and x into y is equal to 12. Okay, and we have to find out the value of x and y. So we have to find out whether statement 1 is enough, or statement 1 is 2 is enough, or both are required, or either 1 or 2 required, or if I used 1 maybe not 2 required. Like that we have to solve, my dear friends. See x and y. Okay, see for example 3 by divided by 1, you will get 3, right? Odd number. So otherwise you will get 7 by 1, you will get 7, or you will get 15 divided by 5, you will get 3. So you are getting odd number, but x and y we cannot tell this is the x and y value. Okay, everybody, we cannot tell, right? My dear friends, we cannot tell. Okay, only one is not enough. Question can be answered in one of the statement alone, but cannot be answered in the question. We'll see if x is y is equal to 12. So x into y is equal to 12. Okay, now 12 into 1 also 12. Then 6 into 2 also 12, then 4 into 3 also 12. There are three possible ways are there, my dear friends. Again, any one of the statement question can be answered using one of the statement alone, but cannot be answered using the both other statement alone. This is wrong, my dear friends. This is wrong. Come next one, the question can be answered by using either statement alone. No, one is also not enough, two is also not enough, option 2 also wrong. See, the question can be answered by using both the statement together, but cannot be answered by using either statement alone. That is true, but can I use both and two? We can do it? We'll see, my dear friends. So I took x value 12, okay, y value 1. 12 divided by 1 is equal to 12. I want odd number, x by y is odd. It is not possible, okay. Now 6 by 2. If I use 6 by 2, you will get 6 3 ones are 3 twos are, yes or no? 3 ones are 3 twos are, you are getting odd number, my dear friends. Huh? X by y is add, no, here 2, right? Sorry, here 2, Here 3. Yes, we are getting 3. Correct. If I next 4 by 3. 4 by 3. You are getting decimal value 1 point something decimal value. But it must be a natural number, my dear friends. Yes, we can find out. We can find out. If I using both 1 and 2, I can find out the answer, my dear friends. So the answer is option C. I hope it is clear. Clear, everybody? Clear? See, my dear friends, if you like this video, do subscribe, like it, and share to your friends, my dear friends. So whoever not watched UPSC prelims CSAT paper general mental ability 2024 part 1 already uploaded in the YouTube channel. Watch it, my dear friends. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding aptitude and reasoning problem, okay, send your problem to my WhatsApp number. Okay, when I am free, I will solve that problem. I will send you the solution. Okay, thank you, my dear friends. See you in the next session. Have a nice day. Take care.